Hello, all you Carolina Panthers supporters out there. Again, we welcome your presence. Let's see how much it cost, what's in store for today, and an hour-by-hour breakdown of the data in order to repair the losses we had in the day chart. As we could see on Ethereum right there after a large bump in the market, we are retracing our losses. We reversed course and returned to where we had been on the Bitcoin. We're currently at 0% on a chart, but we've dropped quite a little from our peak of 23.6%. Despite our best efforts, we've fallen back to 23K over there, from 10.4 to 10 digits, and fighting to hold it on our chart as the week's highs of 11 digits. The same happened to Luna Classic as a result. We're being dragged along by the beast. We're 73.6% better off than we were before, but that's still a lot better than what we had. That's what we have here in the territory. Iconic price change. Let's get over to the news. Remember to subscribe and spread the word. Remember to leave a comment, and let's get started. Investors who believe that cryptocurrency prices will rise have a lot to say about the latest developments here at Elites. All coins are seeing growth as the cryptocurrency market continues to recover from its recent pessimism and the global market value returns to the $1 trillion level, accompanied by two coins that have been linked to their recent market catastrophe. There's a great deal of interest in both Terra, which is also known as a territory, at 0, and Terra Glacier, which is the platform's gold chain, up by 661 and 182% on the day. As of July 18, CoinMarketCap statistics shows that Luna Talking is the most popular of all the folded cryptocurrencies, with Luna Classic coming in at a close second. As a result, Polygon is currently the second largest trading buyer. Three-tiered web infrastructure. After being accepted to join in a Disney's 2022 Accelerator program, we were given the opportunity to work with Walt Disney on a new project. In the last 30 days, the asset's value has risen by a whopping 150%. Thanks to Disney's acquisition of the company. As a result, interest in its ecology is considerable. In the cryptocurrency market, some investors may still believe that Luna's conversion to Classic has a chance of succeeding based on how popular both assets have become. Because of this, the Terra ecosystem was shattered when it was hit by the dollar's algorithmic stablecoin. Oddly, both assets have fallen below where they were just a few days ago. There has been an increase in the number of people using them as a means of making a profit in the Bitcoin market as the sentiment shifts. In the light of the market's mood shift, due to the high level of interest, it's safe to assume that those interested in the asset are placing a wager that a talking to will eventually grow into meme currencies. There's a shaky start to the Zeros letter. In spite of this, the Terra ecosystem's recovery began with a bumpy ride. Although the market as a whole is going through a big price adjustment, Luna Classic stands out as one of the standout scenarios with a very volatile price, and at least believe that its talking's lack of obvious intrinsic worth is one of the reasons for its volatility. That interest had garnered the attention of various institutions, including the South Korean Financial Services Commission, which issued a cautionary statement and issued a warning to investors not to put their money into Luna. After the collapse of Terra, there was an increase in the debate about rules, which resulted in the implementation of policies by various government agencies to control space. South Korea has also set up the first digital asset committee responsible with developing legislation and enforcing regulations for the Bitcoin industry. That concludes our discussion of travel inside a region. It's in one of the greatest works of literature. Don't forget to subscribe, link, and share if you want to see more. Also, don't miss the conclusion of the following one.